guys, today I have a collective haul for you. So I've got some advent calendars, some candles, some books, all that good stuff. So let's get into it. First thing I'm going to show you is actually PR, and I am like so blown away by this. I have to say thank you to the Body Shop because they sent over their advent calendar, which is just like so insane to me. I've been like unboxing advent calendars for 3 years, I think now. Maybe 4, I can't really remember. But the Body Shop is one that I've bought like every year, and then this year they sent it to me and I'm just like just kind of, I'm in disbelief, to be honest. Like, I don't know, like it's just such a full circle moment. Like I remember a couple of years ago, me and my sister talking about this advent calendar and that we were going to save up to buy it and how we both really wanted it. And now I'm getting it sent in PR and it's just like such like a mind-blowing experience. But anyway, this is how it looks here. It's absolutely beautiful. It's massive. So hopefully you can see it. I need to like put it down because it's so heavy. But keep an eye out because obviously this will be getting unboxed on my channel, which is so exciting. So yeah, thank you so much to the Body Shop. I am just so beyond grateful. I also got the Sheer Glam advent calendar and I'm so excited for this one. This is so cute. It's like a little like Polaroid camera, and then it opens up. Is it this side? Yes, opens up, and you have our products in here. So this one is a 12-day calendar, and I'm so excited for this. So yeah, I can't wait to unbox it. I've seen a couple of spoilers, but I've tried not to pay too much attention so that I don't know what's in here. So I've been like hanging around. I did my makeup and then I went and did a couple of things, and in all of that time my eyelash has been fine, and as soon as I turn my camera on, it's like my eyelash is like, yeah, you know what, like I'm just gonna fall off. So let me stick it back on. Having your eyelash not stuck down properly is like one of the most annoying sensations possible, to be honest. It actually drives me insane. I feel like it's still not even stuck down properly. Okay, the next advent calendar that I got is this one from Dusk. This is another 12-day one. It's called the 12 Days of Christmas, and it has 12 mini soy blend candles. And I just think this is so cute. Oh, I'm avoiding looking at the back because it's got the candles in it. So yeah, I'm really excited to unbox this one as well. It smells really nice already, so I'm very excited about that. I think this is the first time I've ever unboxed a Dusk advent calendar, so I'm really excited. I don't think they did one last year. At least if they did, I didn't get it. So I'm very excited about that. I do really enjoy Dusk. So the next advent calendar I have here is the one from Tati Lashes. So this is the A Very Tati Christmas, and it says it's 24 days of Tati Lashes. And this is honestly such a beautiful box. So you open it up like this, and then these come out. Okay, I'm probably doing the worst like job of showing this off, but like it's so cute. So I'm really excited because I honestly think I'm probably going to reuse this as storage of some sort because I just think it's so cute. And we've obviously got like a really nice mirror in there. Oh my god, I'm struggling. So yeah, I feel like it's really cute. It reminds me of like a little vanity or something. Like, I don't know. It's really nice though. So I'm really excited to unbox that one. And then the last advent calendar I have is the Cult Beauty one. This one is so heavy. And this is like our little cheat sheet, so I'm not going to look at that yet. But yeah, when you open it up, it's so pretty inside. This is so heavy, it like literally weighs a ton. So I'm really excited to unbox that one as well. I know there's some really amazing products in here. Cannot wait. Let's get on to the other bits. So when I bought the Cult Beauty one, they also sent over a free mascara from Patrick Ta. So that's really exciting. I've never tried anything from that black brand. So this is the Major Volume Mascara from Patrick Ta in the shade Black. So I went to TK Maxx the other day, and they had like all of the Halloween stuff out, and you know me, I had to get a couple of things. So the first thing that I got, this is the Goblin Gummy Bear Bash candle. This is from DW Home. I'm pretty sure they're all from DW Home. Yeah, they are. Oh, this smells like licorice. Like, it smells so good. It doesn't like have like scent notes or anything on it, but it smells like raspberry licorice. Oh, it's so good. I'm so excited to light that. And I feel like the design on it is really cute as well. It's just got like little gummy bears, like little ghosts, little witches' hats, little leaves and stuff. I just feel like that's really cute. And this was like a little mini one. The next one I got is RIP. This one's really nice as well. I will tell you something for nothing. When I smelt this, in the store, I was like, oh my god, that smells incredible. But now it's like, I don't love it as much. Like, it still smells nice. But yeah, I don't know, I don't love it as much anymore. So this one just has like little headstones and like, looks like a little zombie hand poking out of it. It is nice, it's just not my favourite. I don't know. Obviously my little scents have changed, like my little nose thingies have changed since I was in the shop, but anyway. And then this one is like the little goodies range from DW Home. I don't really know much about DW Home because the only place we can get them is TK Maxx. We can't get them online or anything like that, I don't think, in Australia, so. But anyway, this is called the Lunar Eclipse Tea, and it looks like a little bubble tea, which is so cute. It's got all these little bubbles down the bottom. I've got some bats, some moons, and yeah, I don't know, I just think this one is so cute. And it obviously comes with a lid, and you take the lid off when you burn it. This one smells so nice. I feel like what you would imagine for like a Halloweeny kind of autumn kind of candle. Just smells like apples and like leaves, and I don't know, just smells really good. So I got those candles. I really wanted to get more, but I had to restrain myself. And then the last thing I got in TK Maxx are these. These are the makeup erasers, and this is the Halloween 7-day set. I've never tried makeup eraser, but I use my blush off every time I take my makeup off. But honestly, mine is getting so old and so gross. So I thought that I would try these out. Let's have a look at them. So you get 7 of these, which is cute. And yeah, like I said, I've never tried them out before. So it says wet. The warmer the wetter the better. To erase, use the short fiber side to erase makeup in gentle circular motions. And 3, exfoliate. Flip to long fiber side, and then it says in brackets the side with the tag to exfoliate. Continue in gentle circular motions. And then you get a little laundry bag film, which is really cute. And these are so cute. Like the little designs on them, I can't. So, are the designs the same? I think they are, to be honest. Yeah, I think all the designs are the same, but like, just like I think the pattern is the same, but like it's different parts of the pattern, if that makes sense. So we've got 3 of these ones that have the pattern on them. And there's like little ghosts, little pumpkins, little witches' hats. I'll show you. So that's how it looks there. So this is like real, just feels really cute. So this is like the short side, and then that's your long side, the side with the tags. I'm so excited to try those out. I love that there's 7 of them as well. So yeah, we've got 3 that have this design. We have a little purple one. This is kind of like a peachy kind of colour. Orange. And then black. And yeah, though, these were only like $17. So I feel like that's pretty good for 7 of them. Like, that's really not bad at all. But yeah, I'm super excited to try them out. I will say that on the packaging, the design looks so much better than what the actual design is in person. Like, I feel like it looks a lot more high quality there compared to like... It's like we got the Wish version, but that's fine. I still think they're really cute, and I'm very excited to try them out. I'll have to let you know how I go with those. So I did also get some other things from Dusk when I ordered the advent calendar. The first thing that I got was the strawberries and whipped meringue candle. I think these were on sale, and I'm also like a Dusk member, so I would get 10% off, I think, every order or something like that. I don't know, but either way. So this is this candle here. How stunning is that? And guys, this smells... Oh, like, so the day that I got these, I smelled these and I messaged Kate and I was like, hey, can you like stop on the way home and get me a bag of lollies? Because these just smell so much like lollies. Like, oh no, I was like, oh my god, craving them so bad. So yeah, this one is strawberries and whipped meringue. I'm so excited to burn that. Although I feel like it's going to be bad as well, because I feel like every time I'm going to smell it, I'm going to just get hungry. So, but yeah, it says, a luscious blend of strawberry jam and lightly whipped meringue. Be further enticed by base notes of vanilla bean and almond, which take this fragrance straight from the bakery. Love it. And I also got this. This is the little party mix. So they obviously have done their little collab with Allen's. That's so cute. It says, you're invited to the sweetest, fruitiest party in town. But yeah, I thought this would be a good way to like try out a lot of them. So we have 5 little flavours in here. Guys, when I opened that, I just got hit with like it smelled like I just opened a mix of like Allen's lollies. Anyway, so the first one we have is strawberries and cream, and I think this might be my favourite. Oh, It literally smells exactly like the lolly. So it says, strawberries and cream combine a dollop of strawberry flavoured sweet sitting atop a layer of a deliciously spongy cream base. Then we have pineapples. It says, juicy summer pineapple never tasted this good. This one is nice. I'm not a massive fan of pineapples, to be honest, but it's still nice. Next is peaches and cream, and it says, is there a better duo? This one's really nice as well. I feel like this one is less sweet. Like this one's more like, you know, fruity and like peachy, but it's still really nice. This one is Frogs Alive, a favourite treat that'll help you bounce through your day. I feel like this one might be my least favourite. Like, it is still, like, nice. Like, don't get me wrong. Like, just because it's my least favourite doesn't mean it's not nice. It's just out of the 5 of them. I feel like this one's more, like, basic. Like, it just smells quite, like, you know, like a normal kind of strawberry or, like, raspberry candle. But it's still nice. And then the last one is Milk Bottles. It says, they're not just sweet. They're a delicately creamy vanilla dream. And that one's so good. Yeah, I think strawberries and cream and Milk Bottles are definitely my favourite. And I do think that's because they're both the sweetest. So, and yeah, they look really cute. Like, the design of them is really cute. I can't remember if I showed you, but they've got, like, little pictures on them. Obviously, these are the small ones, but they do have, like, big ones as well. They've also got snakes alive, I think, and jelly beans. And Chicos. Oh, wait, I think Chicos, what are they called now? Cheekies, sorry. So, yeah, I feel like they've just really nailed these. Like, they smell so good. I'm so excited to burn them. And then the last thing to show you are just a couple of books that I bought. The first one is from Frida McFadden. This is her latest release, I'm pretty sure. It's called The Boyfriend. And this is quite a big book for Frida. Like, normally hers are, like, you know, like half the size of this. So, interesting. So it says, she's looking for the perfect man, he's looking for the perfect victim. Sydney Shaw, like every single woman in New York, has had terrible luck with dating. She's seen it all. Men who lie in their dating profile, men who stick her with the dinner bill, and worst of all, men who can't shut up about their mothers. But finally she hits the jackpot. Her new boyfriend is utterly perfect. He's charming, handsome, and works as a doctor at a local hospital. Sydney is swept off her feet. Then the brutal murder of a young woman, the latest in a string of deaths across the coast, confounds police. The primary suspect, a mystery man who dates his victims before he kills them. Sydney should feel safe. After all, she is dating the man of her dreams. But she can't shake her own suspicions that the perfect man may not be as perfect as he seems, because someone is watching her every move, and if she doesn't get to the truth, she'll be the killer's next victim. So, I really enjoy Frida's books. I'm really excited to read that one. And I got that one at Kmart. And then these two I just got at my bookstore. So the first one is The Family from Louise Jensen. It says, Laura is grieving after the sudden death of her husband, struggling to cope emotionally and financially. Laura is grateful when a local community, Oakleaf Organics, offer her and her 17-year-old daughter Tilly a home. But as Laura and Tilly settle into their life with their new family, sinister things begin to happen. When one of the community dies in suspicious circumstances, Laura wants to leave, but Tilly, enthralled by the charismatic leader Alex, refuses to go. Desperately searching for a way to save her daughter, Laura uncovers a horrifying secret, but Alex and his family aren't the only one with something to hide. Just as Laura has been digging into their past, they've been digging into hers, and she discovers the terrifying reason why they invited her and Tilly in, and why they'll never let them leave. So I feel like that sounds really good as well. So excited. But then the last one is from Ruth Ware, and this is called The It Girl. It says, it was Hannah who found April's body 10 years ago. It was Hannah who didn't question what she saw that day. Did her testimony put an innocent man in prison? She needs to know the truth, even if it means questioning her own friends, even if it means putting her own life at risk. Because if the killer wasn't a stranger, could it be someone she knows? So that sounds cute too. So that is everything in my haul. I feel like this is like a bit of a random one, but I just wanted to show you guys all the new bits that I've got lately. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!